Hi, my name's Linda. I've been following the doctor on Instagram for like more than a year now, and I've always been nervous, but I've always wanted to get it. Now the day has finally come, and I'm gonna get the composite smile design. My expectations is I always have an issue with my smile. I feel like my teeth are a little small, and I just hope that after I get this procedure, I can have a little bit more of, length and longevity, and it looks more, more beautiful than what it looks now, but always natural. That's what I expect, but I hope I love it.
When you're doing a smile design, you need to look into what's going on with the patient's bite posture, and then whether you have supernumerary or you have actually missing teeth. All of this becomes part of the creating the proper arch size, arch form, and then your veneers are gonna look more spectacular, but at the same time they're gonna have the hygiene function, and the periodontal status is always gonna be maintainable. In this position, this patient has 2 wisdom teeth that will be removed at one point, and she has a supernumerary, or what I call it also a baby tooth. So that's the before. We're gonna create the perfect symmetry, balance, size, shape, rotations, so that when she's smiling we can see teeth from the back all the way across these beautiful lips, and it's gonna be very simple. But then again, then you go into the actual proportions of the teeth, and you need to make sure that everything has symmetry, and that's the key. In the arch form, that there's this prominence here, and that's a decidual or a baby tooth that just begins to erupt. So it's a simple purpose. We need to remove this tooth in order to prevent periodontal disease from occurring in this circle. Easy, easy, very simple. So you're tired?
Yeah.
What do you say about your body's all like?
My body's all sore. I just want to see my teeth.
You want to see your smile?
Yeah.
You think it's all worth it?
I hope so.
You hope so? You're still doubting?
Yeah.
After you gave me the power to take care of you, you're still doubting, huh? It's like this. It doesn't matter what it takes. Whatever it takes, we're gonna make sure that you are gonna be happy, that she is super happy. Because in between the anxiety, the distress, partially the unknown, and the waiting and everything else, this is the... Let's see. Dale, bueno.
I got it.
Dale, 3, 2, 1. Go. Dale, mami. ¿Qué es lo que hay?
Oh my god. Soy diferente. I love it.
What did I tell you?
Oh my god, it's different. They're so beautiful. Thank you. They're so pretty. Oh.
I'm watching you. There's no wrong angle now. Every angle is just perfect.
No. Especially the side profile. That's what really concerned me.
This is the key. It's creating the symmetry, getting the balance from the imaging to the reality.
Yeah.
There's always specific units of measurement, proportions that we utilize, but we make it real. We don't keep it in the computer 3D imaging. This is the real verse, not the metaverse. So, this is for you. It's for you.
Thank you.
The real verse, Dr. You smile.
You